it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the Ruus. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we are going to grab these ingredients. Vodka, I have here, hanger 1, cranberry juice, pineapple juice, and a cherry, 4 items. Okay, it's tool time. Let's go grab ice, a shaker, a highball glass, and a jigger. First step, we're gonna grab our cranberry juice, open it. We'll be pouring 3 ounces of cranberry juice into the shaker. Take your pineapple juice, open it. We will be pouring 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice into the shaker. Pour 1 ounce of vodka into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid. It's time to shake the drink. Grab your glass and fill it. Pour your drink. The last step is to garnish with a cherry. And there you go, my friends. The Ruus. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.